To start second round of spell bee contest for class 1. Ready kids? Ready children? Okay. So second round, first word of second round from contestant number 1. What's her name? Name. Shivangi Jha. Come on, take the mic and say your word is kind.
Kind.
Kind. Right. Correct. Go and take your seat. Come on. Anika, come on here for your word. Your word is people.
People.
Right. Go and take your seat. Your word is Prachi. Prachi, your name is Prachi. So keep the mic close and say aloud. Stitches. Tips. Come on next. Navya. Navya, your word is same. Stitches. Okay. Go there. Now, your word is, what's her name? Sara. Sara, come on. Your word is treats.
It is treats.
Yes, treats. Nahid, sit properly.
Treats.
Very good. Go and take your seats. Sara. Aditya Raj, come on and say the word, spelling of the word carpenter.
It is carpenter.
Yes, carpenter.
Carpenter.
Go. Nahid, come on. And your word, Nahid, is electrician.
ELECTRICIAN.
Very good. Well done. Electrician. And now your word. Come on. What's your name? Arav Kumar. Your word is safety.
Sir, it is a safety.
Yes, safety.
SAFETY.
Yes, like this. Okay, go and sit down.
My name is Shivangi.
Shivangi Jha. Greek grocer.
GRWNB.
Right. Go and take your seat. Your word is, come on, Anika. Your word is polite.
POLITE.
Right. Now, come on next, Prachi. Prachi, come. You have still chance. Plumber. Plumber. Okay, go. Keep the mic there and you come. What's your name? Navya. Navya Singh. Plumber.
It is plumber, sir.
Yes, plumber.
Plumber.
Right. Go and take your seat. Now, you come. What's your name? Sara. Sara, come on. And who is talking? Talk is not allowed. Guard.
It is guard.
Yes, guard.
GUARD.
Well done. Go and take your seat. Come on, Aditya. Aditya, you tell me the spelling of teacher.
T-E-A-G-H-E-R.
Very good, nice. Go ahead, Nahid, you come. Nahid Raz, your word is library. Yes.
L-I-B-N-Y.
Okay, go and take your seats. Now next one is Arav, library.
L-I-B-R-A-R-Y.
Okay, so go and sit down. So we have finished. Your word is staff room.
S-T-A-F-R-O-O-M, staff room.
Good. Anika, come on. Your word is compost.
C-O-M-P-O-S-T.
Right. Compost. Go and take a seat. Prachi, come on. Your word is barrow. Okay, keep the mic and go and sit there. Come on, next. What's your name? Sarah. Navya, come on. Navya, your word is saying barrow.
It is barrow, sir.
Yes, barrow.
Barrow.
Right. Barrow is right. Go and take your seat. Sarah, come on. Your word is straight. Straight.
It is straight.
Yes, straight.
S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T.
Right. Straight is right. Go and take a seat. Aditya. Your word is creepers.
G-R-E-E-P-E-R.
Okay, right. Go. Nahid, come on. Nahid, your word is shrubs. Shrub. Shrub. Okay, take your seat. Come on, next, Arav. Your word is Arav. Shrubs. Shrub.
Sir, it is a shrub.
Yes, shrub.
S-H-R-U-B.
Okay, right. Go and sit down. So after this round, what is the result? आवाज इसमें
Shivangi Jha, no mistake. Anika Sharma, no mistake. Prachi, 4 mistake.
So Prachi, you have done 4 mistakes. So you have to go and sit into the audience. Come on in the audience. Come here. You are sorry, but you have not learned any word.
Zero mistake. Sara, 0 mistake. Aditya Raj, 0 mistake. Nahid Raza, 2 mistake. Arav Kumar 2, 0 mistake.
Okay. So now, Shivangi Jha, your word is shelter.
S-H-E-L-T-E-R.
Okay, shelter. Right? Correct. Now come on next. Anika, your word is warmth.
W-A-R-M-T-H.
Very good. Well done. Sit down. Come on, next. Navya. Navya, your word is here. Your word is ground.
It is ground, sir.
Yes, ground.
Ground. Ground.
Very good. Go and take your seat. Sarah, your word is domestic.
It is domestic.
Yes, domestic.
Domestic.
Right. Go. Very good. Well done. Clap for her. Navya, Sarah. Sarah come. Oh, Sarah has come. Aditya, you come. And you will spell each word very slowly. Okay? एक-एक word लेटर को अलग से बोलना है. Terrace. Right. Very good. Well done. Next, Nahid. 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 Your word is right. Correct. Go to your seat. Now, next word, next contestant is Arav. Come on, Arav. Your word is everything.
Sir, it is everything.
Yes, everything.
EVERYTHINGS.
Pronounce again. Very slowly. Pronounce again.
EVERYTHINGS.
Okay, right. Go. Go. Shivangi, come on with your words. Your word is carefully.
CAREFULLY.
Yes. And you have to ask, is it carefully? Anika Sharma, come on. Your word is. Are you ready for your word?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your word is digging.
It is a pigeon.
Digging.
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 Good. Very good. Well done. And next contestant is Navya Singh. Come on. Navya Singh, your word is ground.
GROUND. Ground.
Okay. So you have done well. Clap for her. Okay. Now next contestant is Sarah. The word string.
It is string.
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 String. So go. Yes, right. It's absolutely right. Clap for her. Now next contestant is Aditya. Come on. Ready? Ready for your word?
Yeah.
Very good. Capper.
CAPER.
Well done. Go to your seat. Clap for him. Now, for chance, Nahid Raz. Come on. It's you have made 3 mistakes. So if you will mistake now, you will be out. Okay. So be very careful and slow. Don't give the spelling in hurry. Chance.
CAN.
Chance. I have said chance. See me here, chance. Yes.
T
Yes.
A
your seat. And you, come on, Arav. You say the same word, chance.
Sir, it is a chance.
Yes, chance.
CHANCE.
Okay, right. So after this round, what's the result, ma'am? All have done, another have done no mistake. Only Nahid had made
Four
four
mistake.
mistakes. So Nahid, I'm sorry for you, but you have to go into the audience. Now, collection.
COLLTION.
Okay, so come on, Anika. Spell the word collection.
COLLTION.
Okay, go to your seat and come on, Navya. Spell the same word, collection.
Sir, it is collection.
Yes, collection.
COLLECTION. Collection.
Right, clap for her. Now, Navya, Shara, Mrinalani. Come on. Your word is position.
It is position.
Yes, position.
POSITION.
Right. Go to your seat. Aditya Raj. Aditya Raj, your word is object. Okay. Come on, next, Arav.
Sir, it is an object.
Yes, object.
OBJEC.
Right. So, go after this round. What's the result?
Shivangi Jha 1 mistake, Anika Sharma 2 mistake, Navya 0 mistake, Sara 0 mistake, Aditya Raj 2 mistake, and Arav Kumar 1 mistake.
Okay. Shivangi Jha. Your word is equal.
EQUAL.
Right. Well done. Now, next is Anika Sharma. Come on, Anika. Your word is provided.
It is a provided.
It is provided. Yes.
PROVIDED.
Right. Correct. Clap for her. Now, Navya, your word is encircle.
Sir, it is in circle.
Yes, it is encircle.
ENNCIRCL. Circle in circle.
Okay, repeat the word again. Spell it again. Okay. So go to the audience. Sara Mrinalani, come on and say the same word. Encircle.
It is in circle.
Yes.
ENCIRCLE.
Right. Correct. Clap for her. Aditya Raj, you have made 3 mistakes. Okay? But if you made mistake now, you will be out. Okay? So very careful. Aditya, your word is drawing. Right. Go and take your seat. Right. Now next is
Arav Kumar.
Arav, come on. Your word is stick.
Sir, it is a stick.
Yes.
S-T-I-C-K.
Right. Go to your place. Go to your seat. Spell the word container.
C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R.
Right. Go to your seat. Anika Sharma, come on. And you spell the word different.
D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T.
Right. Go to your place. Navya, your word is together.
Sir, it is together.
Yes, together.
T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together.
Right. Sit down. Sarah, come on, Sarah. Your word is Sarah or Navya?
No, sir, Sara.
Navya has told her word.
Yes, sir.
What have I asked last?
Together.
Yes. Now your word is placeholders.
It is placeholders.
Yes.
P-L-A-C-E-H-O-L-D-E-R-S.
Right. Go and take your seat. Aditya Raj, come on. Aditya Raj, your word is correct. Correct.
G-O-R-R-E-G-T.
Right. Go to your place. Now, next one is Arav. Arav, come on. Your word is arrange. Arrange.
Sir, it is a favorite.
Yes, favorite.
F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T.
Right.
S-O-U-P.
Right. Go to your seat. Anika, your word is window.
W-I-N-D-O-W.
Right. Go to your seat. Navya, your word is driver.
Sir, it is driver.
Yes, driver.
D-R-I-V-E-R.
Right. Go to your seat. Sarah, come on. Your seat. Your word is breeze. Breeze.
It is breeze.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Have you done? What do you see? Come on, Aditya Raj. The same word, breeze.
B-R-I-D-G-E, breeze.
Right. What do you see? Now next is whom? Who is
Arav
next?
Kumar 2.
Arav Kumar. Come on. Dirty.
Sir, is it dirty?
Yes, dirty.
D-I-R-T-Y.
Right. Go to your seat. Result, ma'am, after this round.
Shivangi Jha 3 mistake. Anika Sharma 2 mistake. Navya Singh 1 mistake. Sara 1 mistake. Aditya Raj 3 mistake and Arab Kumar 2 mistake.
Character. You come Arav. Character. Shivangi, come on and say character. Character. Hurry up. Time नहीं लेना है. You won't take time. Character. Go to your place. Anika, come on. Character.
C-A-R-R-E-C-T-O-R.
Next, Navya. Character.
Sir, this character.
Yes.
C-A-R-R-E-C-T-R character.
You come Sarah. Character.
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 C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R.
Good. Well done. Clap for her. So after this round, what is the result, ma'am?
Shivangi Jha 3 mistake, Anika Sharma 2 mistake, Navya Singh 2 mistake, Sara 1 mistake, Aditya Raj 4 mistake,
So Aditya, sorry for you. You have to go into the audience.
Arab Kumar 2 mistake, 3 mistake,
Arav Kumar,
3 mistake.
3 mistakes. So after that, this round, 20th round, 2. Arav Kumar, you come here and tell me the spelling of identity. Identity. Speak aloud. Keep the mic close. Yes, identity.
Shivangi Jha 4 mistake, Anika Sharma 3 mistake, Navya Singh 3 mistake, Sara 1 mistake, Arab Kumar 4 mistake.
So we have 4 mistakes. 2 of the contestants have done 4 mistakes. So both of you go and sit into the audience. Okay? You have played very well. Clap for that. Shivangi and Arav. Go and sit into the audience. Already got bronze medal, all of you. If you will lose or win, you will get medal. So, come on, Anika. Your word is photograph. Photograph. So come on, you come. You have the same word, photograph. Sarah, you come. Photograph. Keep the mic close.
It is photograph.
Yes.
P
She has won the gold medal, and now only we have two contestants for silver medal and bronze medal. Sarah has already won the gold medal. So, but who will get silver medal and who will get bronze medal will decide. Who will spell wrong will out, and another will get gold medal, a silver medal. So your word is Anika. Address. Come on here and say, spell the word address. Address. Spell the word address. What? Okay. So come on, Navya Singh, come here. The same word for you, address. Address, address. So go and I will ask another word. Come on, Anika. For you, the word is ordinary. 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 Spell ordinary. Ordinary. Hurry up. Ordinary. You don't know? Okay. No matter. If she will spell, you will get bronze and silver. Yes, come. Ordinary. No. So come on for the next word, Anika. The word is important. Okay, you come. Important. Yes. Picture. Okay, go. Come on, you come here. Navya, you come here. Festival. Okay, right, both of you have said right. So, another word for you. The word is canteen. Okay, right, go to your seat. You come here, Navya Singh. Your word is mixture. Yes, mixture. फिर से बोलिए. She has done wrong of this spelling. So Navya has got bronze medal. Anika has got silver medal, and Sarah has already got gold medal. So we are we will give you the medals to contest. St. Louis SPLB contest for class 1 has won by Sarah Minalani. Sara Mirnalani has won the Spell Bee contest for class 1. Well done, Sara. Clap for her. And silver medal goes to Anika Sharma. And Navya Singh has got bronze medal. And other contestant has also played very well, like Aditya Raj and Shivangi Jha has played very well, and Arab has also played well. Nahid Raj has also played very well. All the contestants has played very well. But this time the winner is Sara Mirnalani. And Anika Sharma, silver medal, runners-up, and second runner-up or bronze medal goes to Navya Singh. Okay. Ma'am, please